Hey guys, here I'll show you today how to get nice and flat seams when foundation paper piecing. First of all, your best friend when paper piecing will be your iron. The second will be your fabric glue pen, and the third will be a tailor's clapper. Let's start with when you're sewing your first seam. First of all, I always use a fabric glue pen. This means I'm gluing down the first piece of fabric, then I sew the first seam, and then I press. If you press all the time, as you can see here, you get really nice and flat seams. If your fabric is a little bit thicker, not all quilting fabric is the same, I use a tailor's clapper in between. And also another really good thing is this wool pressing mat. As you can see, mine isn't quite as fresh anymore. Oops. So what you do is you use the wool pressing mat, you take your block or your first seam and you press. Always press, 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 as often as and as much as you can do in between. I usually sew a seam, then I finger press, and then I take the iron. I do not press obviously with these little seams, or if I have a very intricate block, I don't press all the tiny seams, but I do press in between. I use the wool pressing mat. And what I usually do is I finish one of these segments and then I take my tailor's clapper. It's a piece of wood. Usually tailors, obviously that's the name, use it for seams so they don't get shiny and all from the outside. So they use the clapper. They just steam the seam, use the clapper to hold the heat inside, and then carry on. So what we do, we use this tailor's clapper. You can get that anywhere online, or you can even take a piece of wood that's sanded down. So I would sew this segment, press, and then put that tailor's clapper on and just leave it while I'm sewing the next little segment. And another thing, once you have always the fabric glue pen, this one actually dries up almost kind of dusty, so it's not like gluey and sticky to your fabric or your paper. It also allows you to pull out the paper afterwards easily. And another very good thing to do, as you can see here, is always pull out the paper from the seam allowance when you join two segments. First of all, also trim your seam allowances nicely. It doesn't have to be to the millimeter, but trim them nicely. And then once you join two segments, always pull out the paper so this reduces extra bulk. And then press your seams, in this case for the star, press your seams in one direction. That makes it easier in the center. And then once you have pressed your block and left it with the tailor's clapper, you get a very nice and flat block that can be worked into a project afterwards. I hope you guys this helps, and these are my favorite tools, 1, 2, 3, 4, and as always, follow along. Bye bye.